Welcome back to the Marc Drouinaud Show, the tech show about hacking. In this video, I'm going to cover the 5 certifications that earn IT professionals the most money for 2023. So without further ado, I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's get right into it. This list is not in particular order. Number 1, we have AWS Solutions Architect Professional. Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS, is the world's largest public cloud service provider, making the AWS Solutions Architect Professional Certification one of the most in-demand certifications for 2023, according to the 2,500 plus survey respondents to Skillsoft's IT Skills and Salary Survey. The AWS Certified Solutions Architect was the highest paying IT certification in 2022. Its popularity will only increase as more businesses move their IT operations to the cloud.
Are you serious?
Thus, if you are a cloud computing professional with at least 1 year of experience creating solutions for the AWS platform and are interested in the advancing your career toward a more lucrative position, you should consider attaining the AWS Solutions Architect Professional Certification. AWS Solutions Architects build, implement, and support cloud infrastructures. Having some experience with Linux system administration, a basic understanding of databases, and a working knowledge of distributed systems and multi-tier architectures, you will be able to satisfy the prerequisites for becoming certified. Number 2, Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Certified Professional Cloud Architect. The GCP Professional Cloud Architect certification is a widely recognized and respected certification that demonstrates your expertise and skills in designing, developing, and managing cloud solutions that are both highly secure and meet compliance regulations. If you are a cloud professional with a minimum of 3 years of industry experience building and managing systems for the Google Cloud Platform, GCP, you can advance your career by becoming a GCP Certified Professional Cloud Architect. It will not only validate your ability to design, build, and maintain complex cloud-based systems on the Google Cloud Platform, but it will also show that you can analyze problems, identify solutions, and implement the most appropriate cloud architecture to meet business objectives.
I guess we'll never know.
Number 3, Certified Information Systems Security Professionals, also known as CISSP. Okay. CISSP certification equips a professional with the ability to effectively design, manage, and implement a cybersecurity strategy. As a certified information systems security professional, you are expected to protect an organization's information assets by creating policies and monitoring and assessing security risk. CISSP will also validate your ability to conduct risk assessments and provide advice on how risk can be mitigated, as well as plan, test, and implement disaster recovery procedures. If you are an experienced security practitioner, manager, or executive with 5 years of paid work experience in 2 or more of the 8 domains that CISSP exam covers and want to demonstrate your knowledge across a wide variety of security practices and principles, the CISSP will definitely advance your career. So number 4, we have Certified Information Security Manager, CISM, right? And this is by Information Systems Audit and Control Association, also known as ISACA. CISM is an advanced certification that validates a security professional possesses the knowledge and skills necessary to be able to design, engineer, and implement, manage, and evaluate an enterprise-wide information security program. It also demonstrates competence in information security governance, information security risk management, and incident management. CISM professionals identify, assess, manage, and monitor an organization's information security risks. This certification demonstrates to employers how successful you will be in overseeing security teams and operations. If you have a minimum of 5 years paid experience in an information security position, at least 3 which were spent in an information security management role, you are ready to advance your career by becoming CISSM certified. This certification is specifically designed for information security managers, IT auditors, and IT consultants and managers who support information security program management. Not that this is last, but this is the last one. This is not the least, but this is the last one. We have PMP, Project Management Professional from Project Management Institute. If you are looking to move into a managerial, leadership, or strategic role, you must consider becoming a certified project management professional. PMP is an internationally recognized IT project management accreditation. The average pay of PMP certificate holders has continually increased since its inception. PMP demonstrates competence in management projects, including budgets, goals, and project teams. If you have 3 to 5 years of project management experience, including 4,500 hours in a project management role, professionals who have not earned a 4-year degree are required to have 7,500 hours and a minimum of 35 hours of training in a similar project. You will meet the prerequisites of attaining the PMP certification. As a certified project manager, you will be responsible for leading and managing all aspects of a project, from requirements definition through completion, including determining a project plan, managing resources, and meeting deadlines. Okay, so those were the 5. Do you disagree with my 5? Do you agree? I want to know your opinion. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. I love you. Stay safe. See you on the next video.